In today's sales world, data is everything. Sales teams want to know what works, what does not, and how to close deals faster. That is where conversation intelligence platforms like Gong and Chorus come in. Let's start with Gong. Gong is built around the idea of visibility. It captures every customer interaction, calls, meetings, and emails, and uses artificial intelligence to analyze what is happening in real time. The platform identifies keywords, talk ratios, topics, and deal risks. For example, it can tell if a rep is talking too much, if pricing was mentioned, or if the buyer showed hesitation. That level of insight helps managers coach more effectively and spot patterns across the entire pipeline. What makes Gong so powerful is how it connects call data to deal outcomes. It tracks conversations across the sales cycle and automatically links them to your customer relationship management system. That means you can see how specific behaviors, like asking more questions or mentioning competitors, impact win rates. Gong turns subjective feedback into hard data that teams can act on. The dashboard is clear and visual. You can review calls, highlight key moments, and even share clips with your team for training. Gong also flags deals that are at risk based on communication gaps or lack of buyer engagement. For revenue operations teams, this is gold. It gives you a real-time pulse on every opportunity in the pipeline. Now let's talk about Chorus. Chorus was one of the early leaders in conversation intelligence and has a strong reputation for accuracy and usability. Like Gong, it records and analyzes sales calls, but it puts more focus on coaching and collaboration. The platform makes it easy for managers to review calls, leave timestamp feedback, and build libraries of best practice conversations for onboarding and training. Chorus integrates with major tools like Salesforce, Zoom, and Slack, making it simple to fit into an existing tech stack. It also uses artificial intelligence to detect key moments in conversations, like when pricing, next steps, or objections are discussed, so teams can zero in on what matters most. Where Chorus really stands out is team enablement. It is designed to help reps learn from each other. Managers can tag great moments, create playlists of top-performing calls, and use real examples to coach new hires. That focus on team development makes Chorus an especially strong fit for growing sales organizations that want to scale consistent messaging and performance. So here's the bottom line. Gong gives you intelligence for strategy, data that drives revenue decisions. Chorus gives you intelligence for people, insights that improve how your team sells. Both transform sales conversations into measurable results, but they serve different priorities. For data-driven revenue operations, Gong leads. For people-driven sales enablement, Chorus shines. Either way, both will help your team sell smarter, faster, and with far more clarity than ever before.